don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Drop a comment and share this video.
Good morning. It's 4th of July and it's Saturday. We're here at Metro Point. We decide to come here to spend the holiday ng 4th of July. Wala kami mapuntahan for the fireworks, so we decided to come here na lang. And this is the surroundings. Marami silang flowering plants. May fountain on that side. There's a fountain. And actually, may mga restaurants, bakery, and cafe on the side. And may mga seats dito. Relaxing area because of the flowering plants. And isa sa mga agenda here is to look for something to buy pang office. See. Yan, may Subway. May pottery painting, Color Me Mine. Oh, may cinema rin dito pala eh. Yan ang DSW shoes. Ang isang agenda namin dito is to go to Nordstrom Rack. But what we will do first, kakain muna ng lunch because it's 11:30 to now. Now we're heading to one restaurant here. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan, pero masarap yung clam chowder nila doon. Ayan yung Nordstrom Rack. This is the Metro Point at South Coast. May pa-hand sanitizer sila. Boudin. That's the name of the restaurant we will go to for lunch. Boudin. Branch ng San Francisco's SF. Oh, wow.
Is that open?
Yes, that's open. May Old Navy pala dito nga.
Punta na tayo dito.
Okay. Yes. This is where we will eat the lunch. Sibutin. Let's check yung kanilang menu. Meron ako clam chowder.
Ako yan lang eh.
Clam chowder ka rin.
Chowder lang. Kasi mo, ganyan, hati tayo.
And something. Anong ano nila? Bread. We can go with chicken presto. The Swiss chicken.
Yan. Saan na nun, tapos hati tayo.
How about your drink?
Wala na, water lang.
Water? Okay. Let's get inside. Di ba pwede doon sa loob? Okay. So this is the place inside. Yes. This is the order counter. Pwede mag-skip the line pala. Clam chowder. Yes, it's taking videos na.
Hindi, sa ganda. Ito yung kulay.
Na, which one? Yeah. Tingnan mo sa likod ko anong klase. Ba't wala siyang plate sa harap?
Bago pa.
Ganun.
Bago pa yan.
We're here at the parking sa Metro Point.
Nice.
GLC. Oo nga, bago pa.
Bagong bago. Ganda yung tabra tayo ngayon.
Chili's. May color. May Starbucks doon. Namamasyal lang kami. We're just walking. We're going to the parking lot now. And then heading to the other side of this area kung saan may mall naman ng Macy's and Nordstrom.
May test lang yun.
Just walking around this area. Alin? Puro bago eh. No?
Bago. Ganda ng DS yung bago, no?
Ganda.
Limiit lang ba? Saan tayo?
Going to the parking lot.
Saan pa? Dito?
Oh, wow.
Dito. Dito na.
Straight and to the right. Ang laki ng area ng parking lot nila. May the container store doon sa side and Best Buy. We get to walk to the parking lot kung saan kami nag-park. It's at the opposite side.
Ay, yun, ang South Coast Plaza.
Ha?
Yung mall eh, South Coast Plaza.
Eto, Metro
Oh.
Point. Laki ng area ng parking lot nila.
Oo. Yan, ang nose block.
Mattress here. Ano yung nasa second floor nito? Nordstrom Rack. Then on the second floor, Kids Empire.
Oo, saka naman si
And the Edwards Theater.
Oo.
Sinihan. Cinemas.
Sino? Yan pa tayo naghahanap
Sa Bloomingdale's pala, the outlet store.
Yan pa tayo naghanap ng sapatos sa pier.
Oo.
Wala makuha ang size dun. Sa pier.
Gusto mong sumaan ito sa Bloomingdale's outlet store? Huwag na. Okay.
Kita mo yung building.
We sometimes come here sa Nordstrom Rack to check out yung mga dress and shoes which are discounted.
Kaya Ayun.
Discounted from its regular price, mostly 50% off, but still costly. Yung 50% off, it cost you yung isang blouse, $100 pa rin. Wow. Relaxing lang yung yung place. Alin, mura-mura ang.
Yung oranges na nakita ko.
Magkano yan?
$99.
Nasa 150 rin lang naman yung mas maganda na yung nasa store nila.
Tayo, maupo-upo muna ba tayo?
Baba nyo lang.
Tayo,